Be leaders. That is what the people of Kenya want. They want leadership. They don't want politics. They don't want insults. They want direction. Yeah? They want direction. They want leadership that will see them through to the other side. Kana iniatea? So, our country needs unity in order for us to have peace, in order for us to have stability, in order for us to have progress. A country needs leaders of integrity, leaders who are principled, who are there to serve their people. Because by serving your people, by extension, you're serving your God. They don't want leaders who serve themselves. Kwa hivyo, tuache selfishness kidogo, na tujue lengo letu ni kuhudumia wananchi hawa ambao wako mbele yetu na wa Kenya mzima. Na mimi nashukuru kwa sababu Kenya hii tuungane. Unajua hivyo ndivyo mimi na Raila tulikuwa tunataka. By the way, ni na Raila dotia na maono maigi. Our biggest job, what we really desired, was for this country to be united, to be together, to be led by policies and principles, not by tribe, not by ethnic bitterness and hatred, but to be united, because it is that will take out for us the true form of what Kenya means. Na ndipo naona watoto wengi siku hizi eli karere inywe yona nemwe umetia na mukangathia piu ngathiai, yeah.